Hi, so today let's talk about how you can learn during lockdown and also how you can continue to learn better once you actually restart your driving lessons in the car using Zoom. Dal from Select Driving School. I want to talk to you today about something that's become really popular during the lockdown, and that's Zoom, and how you can use this tool to improve your driving. I've been offering Zoom driving lessons during lockdown and they've been received really well. I've helped a number of people so far to um, improve their theory and also looking at certain aspects of driving. We've got certain roundabouts in Halifax that people find difficult, and they found actually being able to step back and talk about them in a video environment away from the car really helpful, and looking forward to getting them back in the car and just seeing how they've improved. And in case of the theory ones, hopefully they're going to be able to get their theory passed sooner rather than later. So these lessons are available as of now, and I will be continuing them once I restart in-car driving lessons. And prices start from just £3 for a short booster session, so they are extremely economic. So the idea with Zoom is obviously to work in groups. So ideally these will be given to up to 3 people at a time, and you benefit from working within a group by hearing what others think, ask, and their ideas and their tips. As well as face-to-face coaching, we're also going to be using a comprehensive set of visual aids to try and bring the subjects to life and to try and help with explaining them. So we're going to use things such as situational diagrams. Here we've got an example of some crossroads, and we can use these to illustrate different aspects of crossroads and the different markings and things that you may have to commonly deal with. We can further help that by using the on-screen drawing facilities that you get within Zoom to show, point out things in the same way as you might use a whiteboard. As well as diagrams, we also have the ability to do theory practice. So we've got a whole range of subjects from the theory app that we can bring up on screen and share, and we can choose the subjects we want to go through, and then we can work through individual questions. So working potentially as a group on the more difficult questions to work out what the answers are, why they are those answers, and also why the other answers don't make sense. Again, helping you to understand good exam technique for the test and how to actually be confident with the answers that you come up with. I also have syllabus-based videos. These are computer generated, professionally produced, and they'll take you through a whole range of subjects, from the basics of getting going through to the various manoeuvres. Here we see an example of the parallel park manoeuvre. Hazard perception, again, in the same way as the theory practice, we can also work through hazard perception videos on a joint basis and have a look at those. And YouTube videos. I've got a whole host of YouTube videos. Some are subject based, some go through helping you pass the driving test and helping you understand what mistakes other people make. And also the new style theory questions, where we have situations and you have to answer a series of questions about those based on a video rather than a passage of reading. So a whole host of things that we can do. The subject matter will be set based on demand. You can have, put your own particular requirements in there, and we'll shape the lesson around you. Hopefully you found this useful. If you can do the usual, click like, or you leave me a comment on my website or my YouTube channel, and that will be gratefully received. Thank you very much.